Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Hyperliquid. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to the Hyperliquid website by typing in the URL. Once the page loads, if you already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one, providing your email address, create a password, and follow the instructions to complete the registration process. After logging in, browse through the available products or use the search bar to find a specific item you want to buy. When you find the products you're interested in, click on it to view more details, including the price and any additional options such as sizes or colors. Once you've decided, select the product and click on the Add a Chart button. You'll be taken to your shopping cart where you can review your order. If everything looks good, click on Proceed to Checkout. At the checkout page, enter your shipping information including your name, address, and contact number. Then, provide your payment details by selecting a payment method such as credit card or PayPal and filling the required information. After that, review your order one last time. Next, click on Place Order or Confirm Purchase to finalize the transactions. You will receive an order confirmation email with the details of purchase and an estimated delivery time. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.